Hey everyone, Emil Barboza here at 436 Pleasant Street in Brockton. This was my first rental property. I'm getting ready to put it on the market. Let's take a look. Pleasant Street is a two-family home. The first floor consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and the second floor consists of 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, totaling about 1,900 square feet. As a bonus, the property has a huge lot that can fit 10 or more vehicles. The property went through a ton of renovations. This includes a brand new roof, updated heating systems, and updated electric panels. In addition, the property's exterior painting was changed from an unappealing red to a modern gray. So right now we're in the second unit, which has been recently renovated. I spent around $11,000 to $12,000. This includes labor, which was about $4,200. The rest was on the materials, which includes this new countertop, new cabinets, new flooring in the kitchen, bedroom, and living room. This also includes fresh paint, new light fixtures, new appliances. So take a look around, let me know what you think. I know the subway tiles are in right now, so give me some feedback on that as well, and I'll see you at the next project. One of the biggest questions I get asked is, how much do I need for a down payment? And the easiest way to answer that is just to tell you it's 3.5% down if you're a first-time home buyer. So let's look at the map.